Let's get to the point. There's a new hotel in Batangas with a great location named Soto Grande Hotel and Convention Center. It is close to the following seven areas. Number one, Batangas Port. You can rest at Soto Grande Hotel the day before you ride the boat to other provinces. For example, bago kayo mag-swimming sa Puerto Galera or mag-long boat ride to Romblon, rest muna kayo sa hotel. Number two, Grand Terminal. With buses that connect to Metro Manila. You can ask the hotel if they can pick you up here. Number three, Taal Church and the nearby market and a tour of the old houses too. Number four, Museum of Old Cameras. Number five, public beaches. Quick drive lang siya from the hotel. Number six, Calumala Heights. Number seven, it's an estimated hour-and-a-half drive also from Monte Maria, the Big Mother Mary Shrine, na beside the viral Batangas Glass Skywalk, also called Miracle Walk. Pero may info ako about it sa video. And let's be honest, I was invited by the newly opened Soto Grande Hotel to stay at their place to check out their biggest function room, which is one of the biggest also in the area of Batangas City, which is a good option in the area if may wedding or large event kayo. They gave me a free tour of the nearby areas also, which I am grateful for. Hindi ito part ng original tour pero my friend suggested I include it. In fairness, impressive siya, kaya lang hindi na ako nakapasok dahil sa dami ng tao at sa haba ng pila. My advice to visitors is to not go during Sundays kasi may mass din pala dito. It's also beside the glass walk na na-feature na ng iba sa TikTok. Please message na lang the glass walk or Monte Maria Shrine admin before you visit kasi when I went recently, hindi siya open to the public and only to members daw. And meron na raw membership fee according to one of the security there. So hindi ako nakapasok. Pero libre daw entrance when my friends went several months ago. Thank you to Soto Grande Hotel and Convention Center for offering me a great and restful stay at their hotel and for the kindness to tour me around. They showed me a different kind of Batangas na hindi the usual beaches. Click follow for the next story.